Hello everyone, I hope mko best, mko freshi barida. So kwa majina ni Ian Kangogo, mwana mazingira, environmentalist, forester, regenerative agriculturist, everything pertaining agriculture. So today I'm here recording this video on this my YouTube channel, Ian Kangogo. So I'll be starting a show that's protect everything that entails agroforestry, environment, forestry, agriculture, generally things that contain that cut across both environment, regenerative agriculture, and sort of all things. So today I'm here. I want to tell you that support me, support my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel Ian Kangogo, follow me on Instagram as Ian Kangogo, follow me on Facebook as Ian Kangogo, follow me on TikTok, same, follow me everywhere, especially on YouTube. Subscribe to my page Ian Kangogo. Let's grow this channel, let's grow the community, let's all become the community. About my channel is I'll be showcasing you first planting of trees. uh, People have been sharing to me about carbon credits. First of all, do you know what's carbon credit? Do you know to engage in making decision about carbon credits? You know, some people don't know about carbon credits, what they pertain, what they entail. So I'm here. I'll be showcasing to you what's about carbon credits, how to grow trees in the correct way, not just like the kienyeji way. So nitakuwa pia naonyesha how to start a nursery. That's just a simple thing, how to do care of trees. You know, people wote wanasemanga mimi napanda miti. Yes, si kupanda tu miti peke yake, bali utunzaji ndo sasa upandaji wa miti ile inasemwangwa. Remember, President Ruto is on ambition of planting over 15 billion trees. I just want this question: how many trees have you planted so far? Somebody should tell me in the comment section. How many trees have you planted so far? Because recently I checked on there is this app that's called is it 3Up, the one that Carefree, I think Carefree or the government of Kenya introduces it. They wanasema ukipanda miti una record then una post kwa that app. That app is called nimesahau kidogo. Somebody should remind me about the app. So how many trees have you planted so far? Because we need 15 billion. Do you think we can achieve it? Do you think you have a formula that you can do about achieving the ambition of President Ruto? 15 billion is not an I can it's not an easy job, but it is an easy job as when you have a formula on how to curb and how to challenge the 15 billion trees, because it's on a Vision 2030 that we are supposed to be around 15 billion. According to what I really saw on the app is that hatuko tumefikisha hata 1 billion. We were around somewhere around 750 around like 2 months ago. I think around there 750 million trees. I think that for right now, since we are in a rainy season, I think we are around there around 800 million trees. We haven't even reached 1 billion, guys. Do you think we shall reach 15 billion in your own way, in your own as you foresee, as you it's called for as you foreshadow, as you see in the next, because in that is in the next like 4 years? Do you think we can reach this target? Is it simple? I'll be telling you the formula that I have that we need to do about growing of 15 billion. I think it's an I know say it's not an easy job, but it 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 involves all of us. Since we are in Kenya and we have one president, that's our ambition in protecting our environment and increasing the rate of carbon in the atmosphere. So that's just my simple introduction. I want to see you in the next video. Make sure you follow me, you subscribe. Let's see what I have for you. Make sure you view my video, react, comment, anything that you want to say about this in the field of environment, because this is where we live in, it's where we breathe, it is where we grow our crops. That's what I'm going to tell you today. So I want to see you next on the video. This is my first introduction video. Mm, we'll be collaborating with other people, with other people who are in this sector, who have indulgence in this sector in the agriculture, environment, in forestry, particularly planting of trees. Generally, stick around because this one is one for the books. Let's meet on the next video. I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's meet in the next video. Peace.